Okay, the big day is here. So welcome to everybody. Really looking forward to this semester and getting to know each of you and help trying to understand what you want to learn about strategy, how to apply strategy, and actually you can take strategy and apply it to your personal life as well as your professional career. So the syllabus is posted, and the first week and second week folders are open in the course content folder. So you can go there, and as we move along, I'll open up more of the weekly folders for the reading materials and so forth. So I just want to go through the syllabus, some specific points. I won't go through all of the syllabus, but just to discuss some specific points. First thing, we have a TA, yay! So her contact information is in the syllabus. Ms. Kim, I'm going to meet with her this week, and then you will be able to, I'll have her post a video and introduce herself to you. Okay, so generally for in the syllabus around the issues of the purpose, description, course description, learning objectives, I'm not going to go over that right now. If you have questions, there's a question link on the discussion board. Post questions here, because I'm pretty sure if you have some questions about those topics in the syllabus, everybody else may have that, so then we can share that and begin our dialogue. Since our class is online, so most of all our interaction is going to be in the Blackboard on the discussion board. Okay, so course structure, class is open 24/7 until the end of the semester. So whenever you get to, you have your time, you do the readings and you're ready to post, you post, but you know, there's no time or geographic restrictions on, other than the fact that you have to do it in Blackboard. So that's, okay. So all the weekly folders, as I said already, will be in the course content section of the Blackboard with all of the reading material. So Blackboard, course content on the Blackboard versus the syllabus. Once the syllabus that I posted last night, that's the final version of the syllabus. Just to facilitate and make it a lot easier for you all, the system of record is going to be the course content for everything that we're going to do on a weekly basis. So rather than have to update the syllabus every week, we make changes. If there are topics and stuff that you all want to discuss and we want to add them, the latest and greatest information will be in all the weekly folders in the course content folder. So that will be the system of record and will be basically our syllabus going forward for the rest of the semester. So just a couple of little tricks on the course content. When you go to the weekly folder, if you hover all the way over to the right, there's a little a triangle. If you click the triangle, it opens up the entire folder so you can see all the material. If you want to find the reading material that is assigned, you click on the title of the folder, the weekly folder, week 1, and all the reading material is located in the next screen that comes up. Okay. Grading criteria. The grading criteria is pretty specific. In the Blackboard, A, B, C, D, and when I open up the grade center, we're going to use a standard grading. 90 to 100 is A, 80 to 89 B, but that will be specified in the grade center, so you'll see the grading criteria more detailed in the grading center. Individual assignments, we're going to have 4 individual assignments, and it's already broken out into the syllabus, and 1 general case study. You'll get the case study halfway through the course, so this way when it's due for the final week, you'll be using the material we covered in the first half of the course and the second half of the course to answer the questions in the case study. So you're not going to get the case study the last 2 weeks of the semester, so you have a long time to procrastinate and don't get it done like we tend to do sometimes, but you'll have ample enough time to finish the major case study. And as I said, in the syllabus, you'll see the breakdown of the grading criteria for that. Discussion board. This is the biggest component of our class, since all we're going to do from here on is in the discussion board. So I've set it up this semester. One big change, we're not going to have any team assignments. you are going to be responsible for your grade. So all of the individual assignments and the case studies and all the weekly discussions is all going to be graded on your individual input. So no team. I'm trying this semester just because we are all in disparate locations, and sometimes it's a little hard to coordinate team activities. So let's see how that works this semester. Discussions, they're going to be posted on Friday, and we'll have a discussion about the weekly topic, about the reading materials that are assigned for that topic for the week, and the discussion will go from Friday through Wednesday. But I urge you, don't wait until Tuesday or Wednesday to make your inputs, because it's not quantity of input but quality of input that we're looking for. In class we can have a nice Socratic dialogue. We're trying to do the same thing on the blackboard using the discussion forum to have that. So small bursts of insightful input, of observations by you, responding to your colleagues in the discussion is what I'm looking for. You don't have to write a one-pager, on the discussion topic each week. Just a very small, insightful discussions. And if you find external material that you want to bring into the course, bring that external material as part of the discussion. Okay. So quality over quantity, and everybody must participate. Each weekly discussion is graded, so you must participate. Students always ask me, well, how much is the minimum amount that I have to, comments do I have to make? I'm not interested in your minimum amount. I'm interested in the quality of your dialogue, okay? But, if you don't, if you write one, if you make one comment on a topic, don't expect to think that you're gonna get a full grade point, an A for that, because you just made one comment, okay? So I want to see an exchange of ideas on the discussion board, and we'll talk a little more about that. Okay. So finally for this week, we're just going to have a general discussion right now this week on the first topic, what is strategy? And I just want to hear what your concepts of what a strategy is. So there will be a discussion forum for you to just go and explain based on the reading materials that we have, so you can explain, what you think strategy is and how you can apply strategy. One more thing I have, and I'm going brain dead here, okay, so each one of the weekly topics I have a PowerPoint presentation. Sometimes it's difficult to understand the content of the PowerPoint presentation if I'm not giving it to you, so you can get all of the other, idiosyncratic input that I would give just reading the flat one-dimensional PowerPoint presentation. But that creates a very great opportunity for us in that you can look to ask questions about things that you don't understand about the PowerPoint presentation. The PowerPoint presentation mirrors the dialogue, the assigned chapter assignment work. So it's just a summary of that, but you still have to read the information in the textbook. This is a very expensive textbook. So you see, I only chose one textbook because it covers pretty much everything we want to do. The additional readings that I have assigned help to enhance the discussion about those topics. And we would really like you to read those materials also. And I'm looking for you to include those concepts in those additional readings along with the textbook information to show me how you understand, how you bring these things all together. Okay. All right, so that was way longer than I wanted to go, but again, welcome. I'm really excited about getting started, and let's have some fun along the way. Thank you.